Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through Scout's 195 Sportfish. Starting off with the boat's exterior, standard Scout white hull color. Notice it's kind of more of a cream color, which matches the powder coating. Easier on the eyes, looks great on the water. Standard on these boats is a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. We've got a swim platform with a grab rail and a telescoping two-step boarding ladder to the port side. Making our way inside the boat, got backrests with our rear quarter seats with storage beneath both the seats. Cup holders and rod holders along the transom. Really large bilge access, all finished out, easy to keep clean. This is a really large access for a 19-foot boat. Scout is always known for finished out, well-appointed bilge areas. This is the upgraded 150 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. This is a boat that will do close to 50 miles an hour top end. Moving forward in the cockpit, this is a great fishing platform from Scout. Got rod holders continued forward, well-placed stainless steel grab rails for our passengers in the back. Rod holders on both sides of the gunnels. I've got a live well beneath the helm seat, and I can also remove this backrest if I want to fish off the back end, or if I'm driving and I have a passenger who's looking at a skier on the aft end. And what's really cool about this boat is, despite how large this backrest is, I can actually stow this inside the console and get it out of the way. Removing this also exposes 2 additional rod holders. Here at the helm, got a powder-coated, custom-built T-top from Scout. Not going to rattle, not going to shake, very solid. Rod holders along the back, LED spreader light, and a T-bag storage area for your soft goods, life jacket, throwable device, flare kit. I've got a footrest that deploys here at the helm, an adjustable tilt steering wheel with a steering knob. This boat does have optional hydraulic steering, along with optional trim tabs. I've got plenty of real estate to flush mount electronics, up to a 9-inch screen on this dash, and an optional Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Here on the port side, you see I've got a lot of storage, again, for a 19-foot boat. We've got a recessed floor that drains, so I can actually put a porta potty in this boat if I wanted to. Otherwise, I've got a lot of room for storage with quite a bit of headroom. Moving forward, I've got a cooler seat with a cushion and a built-in backrest. This cooler is removable, of course, which is also where your batteries are stowed here in the floor. On both sides, I have Fusion speakers, 2 of 4 on this boat, 2 back in the cockpit as well. And then I've got a really large bow cushion, plenty of space if you want to relax and recline facing aft, or if you want to sit like this and face forward, you've got enough space to sprawl out. Another reason why I feel this is such a great, versatile fishing boat is the casting platform and the amount of space you have here on the foredeck, but also the amount of space you have to walk around here on the gunnels. If you're anchored out doing some fishing, this is a really functional area. And then beneath this bow area is a locker that has two separate compartments, both of which are drained. You've got a storage locker here and access to your anchor line forward. And then finally, anchor is housed here with a recessed pop-up cleat. And that's Scout's 195 Sportfish. I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us off Daniel Island, or give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.